good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Eddie, aka Inzane. If you guys are new to the video, you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. As you guys could probably tell by the title of the video, I don't know what the title says actually, so hopefully I'm right. But today, like I told you guys in the last video, I ordered BC Racing coilovers and they arrived today. Literally in 1 day shipping, and it arrived today. And I'm gonna go take it to the shop. And they are right here. We got the BC Racing Extreme Lows for the Supra. So super excited to throw those on. Huge shout out to Spring Rates as well, coming through with the 1 day shipping for real. So let me just throw this onto the truck, and then we should head over there to the shop and see if they installed the front windshield as well. Because they did tell me they were gonna install it today, so hopefully they installed that too. So hopefully this ain't heavy, bro. Oh, not too heavy. We're good. So we here back with the Supra, but they didn't change the front windshield. I don't know what's up, but I just dropped off the coilovers, so we'll see what's up right now. He was just telling me that he's just waiting on a couple more things. Again, you know, we're still in the same process, waiting on the sensors still, but just dropped off the coilovers. They got everything pretty much here to put on already, and yeah, we'll see when they finish up. But just want to drop everything off so they already have everything, and I don't gotta worry about it anymore. So we're just literally waiting on the seat, the exhaust, and a rear diffuser as well. That's pretty much it. Oh, and a steering wheel. Damn, bro, I told you guys, bro, there's a lot of things that I didn't tell you guys. There's a lot of things that are yet to add on to the Supra. So I told you, bro, there's a lot coming. I still got the steering wheel, I still got all that. Like, bro, I just told you about the steering wheel, so didn't mean to tell you guys, but now you guys know, cat's out the bag. He couldn't move the seat because of the electrical and all that, so he's like finding all the wires to move the seat. But hopefully the Street Hunter seat comes pretty soon, so then they don't have to worry about that, and they can just replace the other seat and put that one on. But we still don't know yet. We still have yet to get an email from Street Hunter saying when it's getting delivered or shipped out. So yep, waiting game, still playing the waiting game. But yeah, bro, not much to really show other than dropping off the coilovers, but we'll see when we come back. Maybe during the week to get more, but we'll see if this is probably the last time. I don't think this might be the last time because I still have to bring a couple more things if they arrive, but this might be the last time you guys see it. If you guys see it next time, it'll be probably fully put back together already, but we shall see when. We is now home, and I am coming home to some Sheepy Racing merch. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's gonna be hard doing it one hand. Oh, I got it. Hold up. Damn, bro, the quality feels hella nice. Damn. I'm trying to win this R8, bro. That's buy some merch. And then I got a hoodie, which is also sick. Oh, let me open this one. It's nice, like light blue. I want to say almost, yeah, grayish. And then in the back it says, "Need money for Lambo." Definitely need money for a Lambo. This is sick, bro. The quality feels hella nice. I'm not even gonna lie. I like how it's thick. Same thing with this shirt. This shirt feels like heavy and thick. Hella good quality. What's good, y'all? Damn, I don't even know when. I think Friday was the last time I picked up the camera. It is now Monday, bro. I am not feeling the best. I am a little sick. We're dealing with that right now. And then right now I'm headed to the DMV because my driver's license is expired and I have to renew it today. And I made an appointment to come renew it today, so I have to renew that right now. And then I have to take one of my sweaters that I just bought, bro. I think I showed you guys the Sheepy Racing one. I just bought it and it got stained, bro. I have it right here. I'll show you guys in a bit, but it got stained, bro, because we had my homie Pancho's birthday on Saturday, and I had to take over on the cooking because they was burning the meat and all that. So I was like, let me take over the cooking real quick. So that's what I did, and during the process of that, my sweater got stained, bro, with oil and like all this other shit, man. Yeah, bro, that shit pissed me off. So that's what we about to do right now. I don't know if we're gonna go look at the car today, not sure, don't know, but yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're about to go find some damn parking. Look, here's some stains right here. Oh, I fucking hate it. Another stain over here somewhere. Yeah, you can see it like right here, and then right here, bro. Fucking annoying. So I had to go take it to dry cleaners right now and get this cleaned up, because yeah, bro, that shit pissed me off. All right, guys, we are back. We're back at the shop. I'm still not full 100, but I do want to come and see what's up and see if they've done anything right now. So the looks of it right now, I've seen it like over here where I'm at this distance, and it looks like they haven't done anything, but I just hope I'm wrong, bro. And let's go just take a look right now. Let's go take a look. So I'm assuming we got the parts now, because those are the parts right there, but still nothing yet. Still here in the same spot. They moved a couple of things around, but not too crazy. But as expected, what did I tell you guys? I'm leaning towards the end of February. I mean, the beginning of February. That's when I kind of lean towards. Or in the middle of January. No, well, kind of in the middle, beginning of January. But I just did want to come and see what's up, see if there was any updates or anything like that. But they still haven't replaced the front windshield, which is fine, you know. Like I told y'all, I'm not in no rush right now. I'd rather get the car done when it's like full 100. Hope I don't get it in like July or something. Because then that'd be like a full ass year that the car's been here. It's crazy how long the car's been here. Been here for a minute already. They did a killer job, bro, making it look like pretty much nothing ever happened with that rear. Killed it right here in this whole section and made it look like nothing ever happened. Which is why I always bring my cars here, bro. Check out what we have here, though, bro. This nice Porsche. Even got a whole wing in the back. Dang, this is nice. I like. Just right here editing the video, literally finishing it up. But did want to touch up on something that Street Hunter did get back to me and told me that they were either going to ship out the seats this week or next week. So hopefully they ship it out next week. And then my rear diffuser should be arriving this week, probably next week, because we're already on Thursday, so it should probably be arriving next week. And as you guys can still hear, I'm a little sick, still pretty sick. Haven't been to work all week, been taking the week off to get better. Yeah, and then with the Supra, no real update on that either. Last time I checked, it was literally what you guys just saw right now. Yeah, just waiting at this point. Wanted to put something out for you guys because I felt like I had this, but it just wasn't such a long video. But I did want to show you guys and give you some type of update. Yeah, we also have that. Oh, and the exhaust. RK Titanium said that they are working on the batch that I am a part of, so hopefully it gets shipped out by the end of this month. That's what they told me. So by the time they're done with the car, I'll probably have all those stuff already here, and I'll end up taking it there. So there'll probably be videos of that. So just stay tuned, guys. If you guys are new, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, hit the like button. I'm sorry it was real short, but it be like that sometimes. It really do. And then I'm sick too, so I'm not trying to be out and about and get people sick either. But yeah, guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. This has been your boy Eddie. I'm out.